Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enhance the quality of your design. The reason why many people use Photoshop for design is because Photoshop usually does designs and enhance the quality of the designs. But it is not a limitation to use smartphone users. You can actually do a design in your Pixel app and thereby, enhance the quality of that design. So quite agree, I'm going to show you an app that I'll be using to enhance the quality of our design. If you don't have that app, you can just go and download on Play Store. This is the app Snapseed. Yeah. So I will enhance the quality of the product flyer design we did. So I'll click on Snapseed. I will go to the folder containing the design. Okay, so this is the design. Now, if you look Bennett, you will see some tools. You have the looks, tools itself, and export. So I'll click on tools. Then now I will click on this tool here, the curve tool. So I want to make it dark a bit, so I'll just bring it down slightly. Okay. So after that, I will go to the details tool. This one, details. For the structure, I will increase it to some value, to your own desired value. Let me leave it at 20. The structure is to bring out the details of the design. So let me reduce it. Let me put it at, let's say, 10. Then now to sharpen this design, I will sharpen it to 100. Click OK. So I will still go back to my tool and I will click tune image. Tune image. The brightness, I will increase the brightness to 15. Contrasts to 15. Saturation to 15. Ambience to 15. And highlight to 15. Okay. So I'm sure you're seeing the beauty of the design, right? Click OK. Now in order to compare this with the original quality, double tap and hold. Double tap and hold. That's the first quality we had, and from there we have transformed it to this. Okay, so I'll click on this export and I save. Yeah, you can end here, but there is another app I want to show us that we'll be using also to enhance our design quality. So now for this design, I will still enhance the quality of this design in that other app. So what I will do now, we'll go back to my app gallery and check the other app that I'll be using. I think that app is Adobe Photoshop. You can get this on Play Store. Adobe Photoshop for mobile. Yeah, so I'll just click on it. So I'll be choosing the image to be using. Let me choose the second image. This is the one we enhance with Snapseed. I want to do further enhancement. Okay, so now click on that pool. If you see various enhancement options. So I will click on this, the third one, that pool. Increase it a bit. Okay, then I'll come now here. If you look down, you will see a tool here, adjustment. The adjustment tool, this is it here. So I'll click on it. For the clarity, I will increase the clarity a bit to some value. Let me leave. Okay, so I'll leave the clarity at 15. Then for sharpen, I'll sharpen it to 150. The same with this. And reduce color, the same with this. Then now for dehaze, the value for dehaze, I'll leave it at 5. The value of contrast at 7. Then the highlight at 12. I think that's all. Yeah, so you see, at least we have enhanced the quality of a design and it somehow looks like a photoshopic design. So all I will do now is to save it. In order to save this design, if you look at the top of your screen there, um, if you look at the top of your screen, you will see the download icon. This is the download icon. Yeah, you can click on it for it to save.